Fuck. Fuck, fuck. Fuck. Am I streaming? Fuck. Am I streaming? I don't know if I'm streaming. Am I streaming? We're in. Is anyone in? Am I streaming? Shit, I'm streaming. I couldn't tell. Fuck, I've been panicking, rushing around. We are break even, by the way. For anyone who's in this, I am break even. How do I see the chat? We're on a new stream software, right? We instead of Streamlabs, we're using OBS for anyone who knows. But I can't fucking see the chat. I don't know how to see the chat. Right. Let's just stop panicking for a sec. Right. Okay. Few things going on with this. We took this initial entry, right? We're in it right now. We're taking partials up here, right? We've got a fair value gap right here. I'm going to explain the setup. There's like a couple. One contradiction is this IFEG. We should still have gone to take that liquidity down low. But we're respecting a 5 and a 15 minute, and we have the NMD, and we eventually got this, both these IFEGs, without taking liquidity. So I took the trade here. We shot straight up. I shat myself. Needed to start the stream as quickly as possible because I'd literally just finished it on the private stream, and then this happens the second I finish it. Like, you can't write this shit. We have just inversed this though. But we're break even now anyway. Right. This is fucking... I can't... Wait there a sec. Let me... I can't see the chat. Oh. There we go. Oh. 2 of them. Right. Ah. Okay. I understand this now. Okay, great. So here I've got the stream set up. Here I've got the chat. The sound is doubled, someone said. Is this better? Is this better? This is awful. Is this better? I'm having a panic attack. Nah. What is going on? Live chat. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Live chat. There we go. I can see his now. I can see his. I can see his. I can see his. Yeah, all good. Perfect. Perfect. It's probably us tapped break even there. So the stream's down. It's up. Fucking hell. The stream's on. Let me just make some announcements and then we can get started. Obviously, it's been a while since I've been gone. But I'm back. I'm back. Let me just do the announcement for the stream. There we go, that's us break even. Done the announcements. Let me drag the chat over here. Right. Okay. Of course we get core break even and then we start moving up again. This is so annoying. Right. Okay, we're back. We are here. We are back. We're live. Whoa. I can do so many sick things with this. I could just fade it to black if I want to. That is so cool. What if I do this? Right, okay. We're here. We're back. Okay. Very strange start. Very weird start. Obviously, we are also doing a giveaway for the Instagram people, right, who commented on my Instagram post. So we are going to be giving that away in just a second. Let's just journal this trade and then we're out of the way, right? So if you didn't know already, there is an updated stream journal. If you want to use this journal, feel free, go into the description and duplicate the stream journal and make it your own, right? But this is the new stream journal from now on. So if you're looking for it, the old one, it's gone and stuff, and there's obviously trades missing, I'm just transferring them over, right? So just give me some time because there's like 100 odd trades there. Let's just get this trade in. So USD, JPY, buys again, right? So we took it originally, lost it, took it again and moved to break even, and then got tapped. So AMD ICT liquidity, buy side, day 1 minute, rating A+, I give it an A. Profit loss 0. Outcome was break even. Right, now a picture of the trade. Okay, sorted. So this is the new journaling system, right? But let's just take some steps back here so we're all in the same place. We're all, you know, we know what's going on. Right? So the first thing is I'm back. What's going on with the schedule? Let me just... I'm back. What's going on with the schedule? Now, with the schedule, this week, so today we're doing the free stream again. Tomorrow, I'm moving house. So I'm, you know, buying my first house. So tomorrow we cannot do a stream because I'm going to be moving houses. But we'll be back on Thursday, right? Then, that's just kind of getting everyone back in the flow. On Monday, next week, we start up again. So every single day, 5 days a week, no questions asked. Every single day, we do a free stream on here, the same time, just like we used to do in the good old days a month ago. Okay. Now, on top of that, the private streams, if you're in the course, they are also, we are fully back. Yes, we are fully back. The private streams are longer. That's the other also added update. The private streams are now longer. So yeah, that's the schedule. We are fully back on Monday. We just bought a house, Josh. yes, I've been in the process of buying it for like the past like 4 months. That's why ever since I got back from Cyprus, that's why I've been in like this shithole. It's not a shithole, I'm joking, but that's why I've been here, because I've been moving house, and I had to say I was joking or I'd get absolutely levered. But yeah, moving house. Because I think I explained this as well. Because of trading, the way that works, it's kind of like 6 months. Like I have to do 6 months leasing. So it was coming to the end of that. I was like, why not just buy a house? But then I'd have to move house and move back into my mum's and stuff, and which is all a shit show. But we decided we'd do it anyway. Congratulations, man. Cheers, appreciate it. It's a big goal. But yeah. So when that's done, which is tomorrow, it gets done tomorrow. It's all done. Everything's ready. The completion date is set. Tomorrow we wake up midday. The keys are ready. We got a call. The keys are ready. Go pick them up. Then move house. Then unpack. Then on Thursday, straight back to it. Then we have the weekend off. Monday, we're back. Fully back. We are back. Daily streams every single day. You know how it is. And yeah, so that's the schedule, right? That's the schedule. That's all you really need to know about the schedule for now. We got a new stream journal, so if you want to use that, check the link in the description. The course that I offer, the monthly access, the calls, there's no spots available for any of that now, right? There's no spots at all, so you cannot join even if you wanted to. We're just locking the fuck in. But this is the new stream journal, right? And yeah, that is it. I think that is everything. You're up to date now. So yeah, with the trades today so far, we have took a loss and a break-even trade on USD/JPY. This is probability. Everything fit the plan, right? Everything fit the plan. But yeah, now that that's out the way, let's get on with the giveaway, shall we? Let's get on with the giveaway. So, what's going on? What is going on? Where do we do this? How do we do this? I think the best way, because obviously it's through Instagram comments, is if I just search up my Instagram. Oh yeah, I was looking at a page. One of my actually can't talk about that. Sorry guys, but let's do it. Let's go onto the Instagram. If we go into my posts, right? How do we do this? Can we copy and paste the text? Is that a thing? You can't text the name. What about this? The giveaway is just free funded accounts. This is going to be a weird one. Because we cannot do this, right? Because it doesn't copy the names. So we can't copy and paste it and then put it in a wheel or anything like that. What's the best way? How do you guys, what do you think, what do you think the best way to give this away is? What's the best way to do this giveaway? What do you guys think? When we get some suggestions, we'll see which one is the most. Just give one to me. let ChatGPT choose. It's hard because I'd have to type out all the names. That's the thing. I'd have to type all the names out, but I can't. Like, I'm not. That's very time consuming. As you always do, look at the chat after like 5 seconds and pick a name. Screenshot it and say pick one of these names. Alright, let's do that. Let's do ChatGPT. Oh, there's a lot, you know. This is still gonna take a while. Almost done here. I'll have to add them on at the end. I can't print screen because I'd have to get all of the comments on one screen, and I can't do that. There'd just be a massive list, so I'd have to take a few screenshots. That's the quickest way. But it's done now. It's analysing. See how long it takes. Also, I fixed the chair. Oh, and I'm breaking the chair again. Right, here we go. Now, there are 2 people who couldn't fit because I could only give 10 screenshots, so we're just going to have to add them in at the end. Just removing family and friends. Right, now we have a list. What do we filter it by? What? Pick a name at random, or like pick a name based on who sounds least gay. or like who sounds the coolest, or who sounds the best. So we got a list now. We have a list. We have a list. We have a list. Pick a number. All right, sure. Let's do that. To be fair, let's do a spin the wheel, right? Because we've got a list of numbers here. Let's do a spin the wheel. Or should we just ask ChatGPT? Least gay. I have to fucking put my phone on do not disturb. Pick a name that starts with the letter T. Let's do ChatGPT. Let's do it. So we're picking 3 people to win a 10k funded account. Suspected spam. Picking 3 people to win a 10k funded account. Pick a person. Pick 3 people who have won the funded accounts. But do a drum roll first. Right. Now I'm going to get it to read it out. And then you can hear that, right? Oh, yes. Oh, these winners are... I think that's well deserved.
We're about to reveal the 3 winners of the 10K funded accounts out of over 50 amazing comments and supporters. Winner number 1, Cruzar Tenel. Since I met you, I got funded. You've already seen success. Now it's time to scale it even more.
Merlin. No, not Merlin. Melvin.
Winner 2, Blake.Brown. Smashing it, bro. Happy to be part of the community you growing. Fast Track 2.0. Your energy, loyalty, and support haven't gone unnoticed. Winner number 3, M.MEFX. This is massive. A funded account would be a game changer. Thanks for this chance, Josh. Locked in, hungry, ready. That mindset deserves a reward. Congrats to the winners. DM me claim to get your funded account access. And to everyone else, stay sharp. More giveaways coming.
There you are, you heard it there. These are the winners. So Melvin on Discord, Melvin, if you're watching this, you've won. Blake Brown, you've also won. I think you are also on the Discord. And Emmy, a long time guy, he's been here a while. Is he on the stream though? Let's find out. So these are the people that won. I'm going to do an announcement after this stream finishes and also message them privately, get their accounts sorted as we always do. Now also, some other news, I think this Thursday is when that, you know, the free mentorship that we did a couple of weeks ago, that's starting on Thursday. Just to keep you guys in the loop, we are still doing that. But yeah, there you go. That's the giveaway winners. That was the weirdest way we could have done that, but at least it's completely fair. But now we can look for trades. Enough time wasted, right? Enough time wasted. We got that out the way. We got the schedule out the way. We got everything out the way. So now we can get started with the stream. Okay. Oh shit, I'm still in the trade. That's lucky. I thought I'd moved to break even. Fuck, that is lucky. I'm gonna close. See that? We were still in the trade. How do I show this? to the red line. We were still in the trade. I should have closed it, but I didn't. I thought it was break even, in all honesty. I think also the actual stream was still recording from the private stream, so you can see me like taking the entry, panicking, and going live. But we closed the trade there. Now I would have played it out to see how it goes, but I want to stick to my plan. You know, I'm aware that was the earliest I was aware that I didn't close the trade when I thought I had, so I just closed it there. Now, profits. What did we make? If we entered over here, stops were down here, take profit up here. Okay, so 1.7 max. We closed around here, this area. So we got about 1.1. So, okay, that's good. That's not bad. So that was a win, right? Shouldn't have really stuck that. I'm gonna add a comment. This is another cool feature about the journal. You can add a comment which stays actually underneath it, right? Thought I moved to break even. Haven't though. And then it says it here. This is a lot more streamlined. So now that that's done, this is another cool thing as well. If you look in the calendar view or the profit chart, why is it not? Don't know why it's not picking that up. But I cannot be asked with messing this around. We're going to get into the trades. So we took a loss of 1%, made about 1%. We'll call it 1.1. This is just based on 100k, by the way, just to keep things simple. There we go. Now it's updated. So we lost 1k, then made that back. Just check your entry, mine was weird. No, that's fine. I suppose it's a little bit higher than where I thought it was going to be. But it's fine. It's fine. Like the way we just pushed up after that as well. For fuck, are you taking the piss? I mean, I'm happy with what we got, like, but that's annoying. At least we got the direction right in the end, right? The management may have been a little bit funky, but we got there in the end. Now, I'm not done for the day. I can still take one more trade. USD Swiss franc. Right. Okay, let's just, recalibrate. Let's just get back how we were. So, the first thing, the schedule back every single day next week. Right? And then on every single weekday. Yeah, that's the updates. Did the giveaway. Took 2 trades. One was a 1% loss, one was a 1% win. And now we're here. So, the first thing is obviously the war in Iran and Israel and that kind of thing. Absolute mess. Let's just check the fundamentals. So we got nothing to worry about for the rest of the afternoon. We're good to go here. Right, we can trade as much as we want. Now we look for setups, right? Now we can look for setups. So I'm going to just click through really quick, check there's no consolidations going on. If there is, we can start looking for trade setups, right? There could have been one here on GJ, but I think it's bullish. Euro JPY, GU looks good, but what's the bias on GU? I think it's bearish, isn't it? Yeah, it's fully bearish. The bias is fully bearish. We took daily highs, inversed the 4-hour fair value gap, which is over here. Let's just remove all this as well. Took these highs, inversed this fair value gap right here. So that's bearish to the next form of liquidity, right? Which would be this. We haven't took that yet. So still bearish. Still bearish. So can't take that, even if we got it. Even if we got it. So that's out the question. USD CAD is bullish probably as well. USD Swiss francs also bullish. So is USD JPY. Euro USD is bearish, is it? Yeah. Yeah, that's bearish. Took out the highs. Needs to come back into a fair value gap on the daily. So bearish, right? AUD USD is not giving us anything, I don't think. Bitcoin, gold. Alright, okay. So I'm in GC sells. That makes sense. That makes sense. That makes sense. That makes sense. That is a good trade. As long as it aligns with the bias, it's all good, in my opinion. Which is kind of bullish, can't lie. Bearish there, though. Right, okay. So, if anyone's seeing any setups, let me know. Okay? If anyone's seeing any trades, let me know. Anything they want me to look at, let me know. I'm just going to get a drink. Going to go get a drink. Then I'll be right back, okay? Yo. We're back. Message retracted. Eric Lake. Message retracted. Curse. Right back at you. Message retracted. Message retracted. Message retracted. What's been going on here since we been beef? Who's been beefing? USD Swiss franc. Ooh. Ooh. What the GC entry? That was a good entry. I didn't take GC. But the entry I think that I would have took would have been here, or maybe here, probably here. 1.84018. Now, where were we? USD Swiss franc looks all right. What's the bias on this one? It's technically still bullish. 4 hours bearish. It's took the liquidity after respecting the fair value gap. So it is the 1 hour. So they're both bearish, so that's fine. Now we got one more trade to take. We got one more trade in us, right? The 4 hours bearish, the 1 hour's bearish, the daily's bullish though. There are a lot of fair value gaps here, which is a mess, right? USD CAD on the 5 looks okay. So I think these two are the things we're going to be kind of like waiting for, right? USD Swiss franc, USD CAD, EU, AU. AU looks alright, to be fair. Gold, bit messy. USD/JPY, what's been going on with this one? Yeah, so we closed here. We could have held that again, but oh well. Make that one count. We are going to make that one count. Definitely are going to. So, really, the only things I can see that are worth taking that align with a bias is USD Swiss franc and USD CAD in 5 minutes. Now, with USD Swiss franc, we're going to have to inverse this 5 minute as well as the 1 minute, right? So if we just inverse this in 4 minutes, we can take this trade, right? Now the goal for the trade will just be this low down here. Stop loss will just be up here. Do you not bother going for news candles? Not really. You can. Why is USD/JPY a news candle or something? I swear this was the news down here. Oh yeah, to be fair, I know what you mean. We could target these lows all the way down here. I guess we could do that. Tell you what, we will do that. We've got 4 minutes left. We're already inversing it. If we don't take liquidity out in the meantime, we are good to take this trade. GBP USD has taken the London low. And they go up for London high now. But I think the daily is bearish. I think. 4 hour though is bullish. No, for 4 hours bearish as well because it's inverse this. Closed half a break even. Is this on GC? Nice work. Yeah, it is on GC. Right, so we can take this now if we inverse this like this. If we stay around here, maybe a little bit lower down, like where our entry is right now. We close around there, we can take the entry, right? No fucking about. We should be good to go from there, I think. Yeah, you want to fund it, Melvin? Let's see what USD Swiss franc gives us here, guys. Three R. Where does it become 1? That's good. 1 minute left. There we are. That's nice to hear, man. I have tears in my eyes. I mean, just a funded account. No worries, man. No worries, man. Happy to hear it. It's nice to see someone appreciating it. Oh, fuck. We're coming back in. Let's get the entry ready to go, guys. Oh, fuck. We are dancing around it. Oh, fuck. Alright, gotta wait another 5 minutes. It's just a funny, but life has been tough. Ah, man, it's all good. Happy to help. So just message me on Discord, and also the other winners as well. If you guys are here, message me on Discord, and we'll sort it out from there. Stop loss. I am not in the trade, by the way, guys. Stop loss would be over here. Oh, there you go. You can see it now. 50-minute with no bottom wick here. This is pretty nice. I've got a nice feeling about this trade still. Like up the stream, by the way, guys. Like up the stream. If you're happy we're back, like up the motherfucking stream. We didn't inverse it. How do you calculate your lot size so fast? Because I find it hard. because I don't know where the ICT will close, so I need to keep adjusting before the close. You just kind of have it in a ballpark, and then just kind of adjust it slightly as it changes. Like, you know, I forecast it heavily. Like right now, I've got mine assuming 7 lots, right? But if it changes to like 6.9, 7.3, might not sound like much, but obviously, you know, that's like a 0.1 change. So you just change it the same ratio. I am not in the trade. But the 15-minute has no bottom wick, so it could be, we could end up getting something from this. If we wait out a little bit. Now, it doesn't give us the 1 minute confluence, which is the AMD, but the other setups alright. I think the 1 minute, you could still consider it a consolidation though, to be fair. Or this, just an extension of distribution. But no one else uses a lot, so I think you can, that's only on like a laptop, innit? USD CAD, JPY. Everything's just booming right now. Quite greedy now. Remember when we were all the way down here? Amy, yeah man, you won one. Just message me on Discord and we'll get it sorted from there. This is dead, man. Nothing's going on here. Yeah, you won. You won one. All good, man. Just message me on Discord. We got a sword. Right. We could be inversing this now. We'll see how it goes. Right, okay. Finally. Let's see how it goes. If we inverse this, we don't need to... Why is it lacking? We don't need to, like, you know, double check anything, triple check anything. We can just take the trade and we're good to go. So, we'll see how that goes. But like up the stream, guys. Like up the stream if you're hyped for the return of the free streams. Every single day from now on. From next week onwards, every single weekday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, 2:30 p.m. UK time. Right, here we come. Here we go. Come on. Oh fuck, we're melting. Yeah, you did not die. It's not a dream. Wow, we're melting. Stay here. Come on. Right, okay. Think we're pretty much good to take this trade now. Okay, so now we let it play. Now we let it play. GBPJPY can have a sell. We are in this at the moment. We'll have a look at this. It could, but right now it doesn't, so we're going to ignore that. We're focusing purely just on USD Swiss franc here. Like up this stream if you're in this trade as well, guys. IFVG swept 4 hour, swept 1 hour highs, looking to come down and take out these news lows all the way over here, right? Now, management spots, where we're going to manage the trade. The first management spot will probably be this low right here, right? The second one, probably going to be this low over here, further down, which will be 1.4. And this will be 0.45. So we're going to take partials here, right, at this pink line. Taking partials here. Managing trade, managing stop loss. That's the only form of management here. It's just managing the stop loss. And then full TP obviously is down here. 3.19 R trade. It's pretty high. But we're in it now. We're going to let it play out, see what it does. See how it goes. I'm liking it. So we'll see what happens. Right. Banging trade. It does look pretty nice. Let's see how we react to these lows. Gotta come and take them anyway. But let's see how we react to them. You know, because we're going to ignore them. We're going to go straight through them. We're going to react to them. Need to find that out. But once we get a fair value gap formed here, we can then kind of move break even. Or if we get something super volatile, we can move to break even as well pretty quick. My management for the first low is pretty hard. You know, you could do this just to be a bit cautious, which, you know, you'd lose 0.75% roughly if we do that, which I might do. But, you know, I don't know if that's just me being super duper cautious. There's that low tuck, almost. No? Not yet. Still a little bit to go. Tell you what, we will do this. We'll put our stops here. So 0.75, we've just took that low now. Hey, Rowan. Now, although this isn't a confluence, you know, it's not obviously a confluence, but it's, you know, you can't complain. If we invest this, you can't really complain with that. So we'll see how that goes as well. If we invest that, that'll be pretty tasty. Now, a retracement would be natural. Hopefully we don't have a retracement though, because we just want to go straight down here. But, as I said, it would be natural to have one. So don't get scared if we do retrace. But I think, to be fair, what would the risk to reward ratio be if we do end up? So if we go back up here, it's like 6, whatever it was. If we take partials here, that's what, 1.5? Where does it become 1? Yeah, there. We'll see how it goes. We want this candle to melt down now. We want this candle to melt. If this current 5-minute candle can melt straight down, then we'll have a fair value gap that we can use as a reference point to go to break even and be risk-free completely in this trade. So we want to, although we, you know, it is normal to see a retracement, especially, you know, on the 1 minute, we're coming back to a 1 minute fair value gap. If we can continue down overall on this 5-minute candle, which is also a 30-minute, without doing the wick, well, we've done that. We've just completely reversed here. Wow. All that in 1 minute. That is annoying. Wow. Nasty, yeah. Twice today. The first one, this happened, and then it just went in our direction anyway. Luckily, we managed to catch that one. This one. What has happened here? Just completely reversed after taking this low. And I told you though, I told you we had to come and make this low. We had to come and take this low out, right? I told you we had to do that. But, wow, they are. That's us took, 100%. What, this one? Nah. Nah. What? It's just a 5-minute candle. Once it's closed, it's fine. It's not like if it was a 1 hour, like if this is what 3:05, if this was 3 o'clock, then yeah. But it's not. It's 5:05. It's not. Once it's closed, it's done its job. But that's annoying. Oh well. On to the next. Let's just journal this quick before we forget. Now that is the third trade of the day. Bearish. Didn't have the AMD, to be fair. So 2 losses and a win. Since we started streams back up, we've had 2 losses and 2 wins. So pretty break even there. Was there a 4-hour fat lag up above it? Fuck. Yeah, that makes sense. Either way, that is the trade limit there. So we cannot take another trade now for the rest of the day. Got to follow the plan, you know how it is. But we are back on Thursday. So tomorrow I'm buying a house, moving into the house that we've bought. And yeah, there won't be anything from me tomorrow because we're going to be moving house. But on Thursday, you wake up, come on the stream, and we will be in the new office, in the new gaff, hopefully. We'll see how it goes. But that is it from me. That is it from me. That's everything from me. And yeah, we're back. We are back. Right? We're so back. We're fully back. Seeing how it goes. Let's get it, guys. I'll see you all in Thursday's stream. Have a good one. Thanks for tuning in. It's nice to see all of you here again. But spread the word. We are back. Have a good one, guys. I'll see you all tomorrow. Well, not tomorrow, sorry. Thursday. See you all on Thursday. Have a lovely rest of your day. Thanks for tuning in. I hope you've learned something today. Right? I hope something's made sense to you. Obviously, we've had 2 losses and 1 win. 1 was probability. 1 was kind of like a fake out. This was, well, that they were the same thing. This one was just a bit of a nasty mess. But the entry was great. That's the main thing. As long as your entries are fine, you keep executing at the same rate every single time, doing the same thing. That's how you let probability play out in your favor. If you're trying to just scrape win to win and you're very short term focusing on the trade after the trade, you're not really going to get anywhere long term. So just let the probability play out, do its thing, do your thing, and you will succeed with the right set system. But that's it for me, guys. Thanks for your time. Have a lovely rest of your day. Thanks for tuning in. It's been great to see you all here. Hope you've learned something, and that is it from me. Peace.